Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Chad. I'm with the Duval Dummies, and today we just finished doing the oil change on our 2015 Tacoma. Now we're going to reset the maintenance light. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that show you how to do this. Most of them are pretty crappy, and so I'm going to try and make one that doesn't suck so much. So let's get right into it. Alright, so we are back in the Tacoma, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our key on to the second click. Once that second click comes on, you'll get all your accessory lights on. Once that's on, you will use the little button right here that toggles back and forth between your mileage and your trips. You'll want it to be on trip A. So once you have it on trip A, you'll hold down that button, turn your key off, and then turn it back on. And when you do that, you should get little blinking lights that come up. And then once it goes back to normal, it's all reset and your maintenance light will be off. It's as simple as that.